fun time. Today's experiment is we are going to be doing a balloon race. And all you need for this simple race is some string, some balloons, tape, and 2 straws if you're competing with somebody. Let's get started! This is how you set up your racetrack. You make sure the balloon, your string needs to be in your straw and put your tape over the straw. Then you can put your balloon right there and then let go of it. And make sure you don't tie the balloon completely. Just hold it by the tip and then it'll race down. So here's the balloon. And then my daddy's gonna tape it.
Not done yet.
Now let's see if this balloon works.
Da-da-da-dang.
Hi guys. Okay, now we are going to be doing the balloon race, and this is my daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Let's get started.
Count it.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey guys, welcome back to Kaylin Fun Time with Kate. Today we're going to play another game of volleyball, and I have a special guest, my dad. Come on in.
Nice game.
Woo! Woo!
Oh.
Let's go, Kaylin!
Ah.
We are going to be doing with this racket, all you need is a plate and a balloon. And then you have a partner with my dad.